Have you been spending a crazy amount of time trying to figure out how to start learning Python so you can get your foot in the door in data science and AI? In the past few years, I've helped many people transform their careers through learning the in-demand data skills and building projects they love. What I've seen over and over again is that being able to program will give you an edge in terms of what you'll be able to accomplish in your career and in your life. And from my experience, the best way to learn and master Python is through building real-world projects using real data and solving real problems. First, we are going to make sure you've got a rock-solid foundation in Python, covering everything from the essentials all the way to the more advanced concepts. You're going to learn and understand the core concepts in machine learning, deep learning, and AI, and you'll start building AI-powered projects, working with AI models, and using the APIs to solve various real-world problems. Next, you learn to accelerate your workflow by exploring AI assistants like GitHub Copilot, Claude, ChatGPT, and coding agents, and I'll show you how exactly to use them to supercharge your productivity and enhance your projects. And finally, we'll tackle the professional side of things, setting up your development environment, learning version control with Git, and establishing efficient workflows. So if you want to dive into Python and AI without wasting any time, read more about it below and hit the Join Now button.